What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we are at Grubbs Infiniti making a video on the 2027 Infiniti QX80 Sport. This vehicle is powered by a twin-turbo 3.5 liter V6 with 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. So I've gotten videos on the 2027 QX60 Luxe and Autograph, and now we're getting a video on the Sport trim. So the Sport trim sits in between the Luxe and the Autograph trims. It replaced the Sensory trim, and I like the Sport trim a lot more than the Sensory trim. The Sport trim has this really cool blue interior. You have the Klipsch reference Premier sound system in this trim as well, along with the Autograph. The reference Premier sound system is really good. You also have the massaging seats in this vehicle, heated seats, ventilated seats, of course. You have a 360 view camera. You have a wireless charging tray. Cup holders over there. And the Infiniti key fob with remote start. I really like this wireless charging tray. It's a great placement for it, and I like how the compartment can close. You also have a center console over here. Really nice steering wheel, and it also says Infiniti on the wheel like it does on the Autograph, and the Sport trim will give you the leather horn pad. The Luxe and Pure trims will not have the leather horn pad. I really like the blue interior. I love blue interiors. My daily driving SUV, my MDX Type S, has a blue interior as well. So that's why I really like blue interiors in general. So it's cool how Infiniti has it. It's unique. Let's walk around this QX80 Sport, and then we'll go for a drive. The seats in the QX80 are extremely comfortable. As I always mention when I make a video on this vehicle, really comfortable seats. Infiniti did a great job with the seat comfort. Like, it's way more comfortable than many three-row SUVs. And the reference Premier sound system, speaker, grills around the headrest look awesome. I think the QX80 interior is really nice in general. It's nice looking, but it's not too over the top. And the Sport will give you these cool black wheels. You also have a front splitter on the Sport, very aggressive design, and you also have this black grille and aggressive daytime running lights, LED strip of lights, which is cool. Black mirror caps, running boards which are fixed. You also have captain's chairs, cup holders, little place to charge your phone. You have heated and ventilated rear seats, which is quite impressive. And you also have power adjustments for the middle row, which is also really cool. QX80 Sport badge on the back. And here's the trunk with the third row up. Sorry I couldn't open up all the way. We got this little bar right here. So I just want to make sure I open it properly. Yep. So yeah. And you have a capless fuel filling system, premium fuel only. Let's drive this QX80 Sport now. And put it in sport mode. Only appropriate for the sport mode in the Sport trim. I mean, it's basically like a cosmetic trim. It looks really good. Like, what I like about this car, the Sport trim, is like, you know, it gives you pretty much the same features as an Autograph, except for like the, you know, massaging rear seats and the screen in the rear seats. That's not really necessary. The Sport gives you pretty much what you would get in an Autograph. And also, I really like the front lip, the front splitter on the Sport model, and the wheels are cool too. And you can't get the blue interior on the Autograph. It's kind of like a unique thing with the Sport. It looks a lot more eye-catching than the Luxe though. So if you're thinking about upgrading to a Sport instead of a Luxe, you would definitely be happy with that. I mean, the Luxe is the most popular trim considering its price point and everything in the QX80 lineup, and gives you the most value-packed features. So yeah. I'm gonna turn on the massaging seats. It's like a little button on the side of the seat to turn that on and off. Let's go. The ride height in the QX80 is really nice. You really do sit above the road. You can see everything. And it has a really big road presence as well, which is also really nice. That V6 sounds good. Twin turbo V6. It's a lot more enjoyable to drive than the QX60 to me because, you know, it has the V6, has a lot more power. Despite being a much bigger SUV, it is a lot more fun to drive because of its power and engine and powertrain, all that good stuff. So if you were going from a QX60 to a QX80, if you need more room or want a bigger SUV just for the presence of it, you will definitely enjoy the drive more in this vehicle than the QX60. So you're not only going to get an upgrade in the size of the vehicle and the features, but also the driving experience as well. But it really does feel really upscale in here. Like, Infiniti did a great job with this vehicle. And it's so smooth and quiet. You just glide along the road. But we're now returning to Grubbs Infiniti, so we're about to wrap up today's video on this QX80 Sport. So yeah, the 2027 QX80 Sport is a very nice SUV and really nice features, nice design, as all the other QX80s. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own 2027 QX80. I'll catch you on the next video.